Well, this is what I picture as a sales funnel. And this is kind of everything in a nutshell. And the things I want to talk to you about are really specific about sales funnels to try to help you understand what kind of how they work, right? So across the top, I've got the major ideas of the elements of a sales funnel, and then some specific things that you can put into a sales funnel that match that element. So when we start a person in a sales funnel, they're going to come in on the wide open area right here. So this is their entry point right here, okay? And when they enter here, we're catching pretty much everybody, right? We're just sending traffic to this area. So we're catching everybody. And then they're going to go to the next step, which is an opt-in form. And that's where we have some people that are just not going to give us their information. They're not going to fill out the opt-in form. So we have fewer that are in this step, in this area. And then once we get to the opt-in form, we're going to send them to an information page, a sales page, something, a webinar page, something that's going to educate them about us, our product, our company, whatever. So we're developing a know, like, and trust factor. And again, we're not going to keep everybody. Some people are going to bail out. So this gets a little bit narrower and a little bit narrower. What we're doing is we're actually getting closer and closer to the people that are going to buy from us. These are the people that are going to end up getting closer and closer to buying. So once we get through the KLT, or know, like, and trust factor, then we're going to move into actually selling them something. And then once we sell them something, we now work on creating a relationship with them and keeping that customer. So let's talk about each individual step and how this actually happens. So the first one is marketing. So again, we're capturing everybody in the marketing category, right? We're sending traffic to our website. Everybody comes in. They don't necessarily fill out the opt-in form in the next little area, but they all come in based on the traffic that we're sending. And we can send traffic a multitude of different ways. But the three main ways that I focus on are organic, paid, and exchanges. Now, organic traffic is traffic that you're going to send into your funnel that is you don't pay for. But if you don't pay for it, then you're surely going to spend some time to make it happen. So organic traffic is something like doing Facebook posting into groups and into pages and making your own pages and having people find them based on keywords. Organic is doing YouTube videos on a free YouTube channel, and people find your channel and they watch your videos and they follow your links that are in the description. Free organic traffic means going into places like Quora and posting messages there about information on Builderall, and people follow you. Going to Warrior Plus, posting information there, and people follow you, even though those people can be brutal sometimes. But organic is when you just spend time actually generating traffic by posting articles, posting information, posting training videos. All of it takes time. The next one is paid traffic. And paid traffic is where you're going to spend some money to get traffic to your website. And this could be Facebook ads, could be YouTube ads, could be Instagram ads, Google ads. There's a lot of places that you can get paid ads, solo ads. All of those are paid ads. So let me tell you a huge thing that you need to remember. If you're not going to spend the time to market, then you're gonna spend money. If you're not going to spend money because you don't have it in the beginning, then you're going to spend time. You're going to do one or the other. And also, if you decide to go the route of organic or paid, it doesn't matter which one, you got a lot of learning to do. So you're going to spend a lot of time learning how to do organic, and that's an investment for your company. You're going to spend money learning how to do paid ads. I always tell people, get ready. Whatever you spend for paid ads in the beginning, make sure you're able to lose it, because it is a fee for learning how to do paid ads. Whether you're doing Facebook ads, YouTube ads, solo ads, it doesn't matter. It is a learning curve, and whatever money you invest in the beginning, you have to be ready to lose it, because nobody out of the box comes out and nails Facebook ads the first time they do it. It's all an experience that you have to go through, and you learn the methods by doing it and spending the money. Same way with organic. Nobody comes out of the box and nails organic the first time they do it. So you spend a lot of time posting and figuring out what works for you, what works best, what makes you comfortable, what makes your people resonate with you, and then you'll start getting better results on your organic. But nobody comes out of the box 100% ready to go and making $1 bazillion when they've never done it before. It just doesn't happen. And then the other one that I've got here is exchanges. And this one's actually really neat because you can actually do traffic exchanges where you are surfing other people's websites and those people are surfing websites as well. So you can actually do a traffic exchange where you surf websites, you get points, credits, and then you can use those points or credits to actually have people surf your website and see your website. These are actually pretty neat. I get some pretty good leads from them, but I don't really spend a lot of time surfing. What I do is just buy the credits and then spend the credits by having people surf my websites. And I just use my Builderall affiliate links in there, and that works really, really well. So you've got organic methods to get these people into the funnel, paid methods, and then traffic exchanges where you do something and earn like points or some type of credits, and then you can use those credits so people see your website. So all of those are marketing techniques that will get people into the beginning of your funnel, the widest area of your funnel. They don't know you yet. They don't like you yet. They certainly don't trust you yet. They are just coming into the opening of the funnel. So that's how we get this funnel started, okay? And then the next one is capture information. This one is actually really important because whether you sell them something or not, you do want to make sure that you are capturing information so that if you don't sell them something, at least you're building an email list. And I want you to notice in this area, when I look at it, there's fewer little bubbles, right? Right here, we had a lot of bubbles. And that's because not all of these bubbles are going to choose to fill in an opt-in form. They're just not going to do it. And it may be because they don't like your opt-in page. Maybe you don't have something valuable to them to give to them so that they'll give you their name and email address. There's a lot of reasons why. They may not like the design of your page, the colors of your page. There's a ton of reasons. It just may be that they had a bad day and they already filled out 5 opt-in forms and they don't want to do a 6th one. Whatever it is, the numbers are going to start narrowing, and that's why this is called a funnel, because we start off with a really, really wide opening, and then as we move them through this funnel, it's going to get a little smaller and a little smaller and a little smaller as we slowly start to sift, sort, and separate the people that are going to actually buy from us. Okay, so when we look at capturing information, one of the common tools that we use is an opt-in form. And you can just put an opt-in form in there and be done with it and say, here's the page, here's the opt-in form, fill it out, and do a little bit of content. Or you can actually offer something like a lead magnet, which entices them to give you their name and their email. And a lead magnet could be something as simple as a simple ebook, a report, an infographic, a cheat sheet, or even a little training video or information video. So all of that is designed to actually get the user to give you their name and their email. So we now know that not everybody's going to do that. So we actually move to the next one, which is even a little bit more narrower, which is the know, like, and trust. So once we capture their information and we send them to the next page, whatever that page is, whether it's just a sales page or about us page, information page, webinar page, it doesn't matter what it is. What we're trying to do now is set up a know, like, and trust factor. And remember that once we get them in the opt-in form, emails are part of this too. Because once they opt in, it should trigger an email sequence. So between the email sequence and then wherever we send them after the opt-in form, we're really working on know, like, and trust. So everything we're doing, all the content we put in there, all the design of the website, Everything that we're doing is trying to create that know, like, and trust factor. And why do we do that? If they know us, then at least they know about us, our company, and our product. If they like us, there's a good chance that they'll end up trusting us. If they trust us enough, they'll whip out that credit card and they'll buy that product. Okay. This all is married with also hitting their pain points. So when you're doing your sales page, you're talking about what your product can do for them. That's all a part of it. But remember, the ultimate goal is to actually develop that know, like, and trust that your product can help them with their pain point. And because you've presented in a way that they know you, they like you, and they trust you, they will spend their money with you. So that's the next big step, is to start working on that content and really reaching your customer. And then going through that process, not everybody's going to get to know you. Not everybody's going to get to like you. And certainly not everybody's going to trust you. So the number of bubbles actually goes down again in the next slide. But now this is a more targeted audience. These are the people that are going to be most likely to buy from you because they came in through our marketing method. We captured their information. We've developed a know, like, and trust factor with them. And now they're actually looking at our product. And they're saying, okay. So here's where we can decide to sell them a digital product. We can sell them a physical product. We can sell them an e-learning product, like a course. We can sell them a membership area where they can get ongoing information in this membership area that's updated weekly, monthly, yearly, however you want to do it, daily if you want to do it. Or we can sell them services like coaching services. So this is where we start to really narrow down who's going to really buy from us. Remember that sort, sift, and separate. We've separated them pretty good at this point. And now we're down to brass tacks on who's going to buy. And now out of everybody that buys, whether we've got a digital product, physical, e-learning, membership area, or services, out of those, we're going to have a small amount that we're going to be able to create a true relationship with. And that means that when we send emails out, they open our emails. When we send product offers out, they actually look at those product offers. And here's the importance of creating the relationship. We don't ever want to get into a situation where we're selling one-offs and then we're done. We don't ever market to that person again. We got our money, we're done. If we create a relationship, what that means is we can retarget them if they don't buy something of ours. We can send them new offers if they did buy something of ours. We can also join affiliate programs and offer them affiliate products that these people might be interested in. And then there's actually some of them that we might create a relationship with to the point where we create networking situation and can actually do JV partners with them. They may have amazing products that you bring your gifts to the table, they bring their gifts to the table, and you can actually work together to create a JV partnership and do business together. I've actually done that a few times with people that I've sold products to. So there's a lot of potential there. But I want you to notice how we went from lots of bubbles over here to 3 little bubbles over here. Now, hopefully you'll have a lot more than 3. But the idea is that you start with a big group and you start sorting, sifting, and separating to find those ones that are going to know, like, and trust you. They're going to buy from you. And then even fewer that you're going to create a true relationship where they will open your emails and they will be involved with you to the point where when you have a new product, they will buy from you. Okay, so that is the sales funnel.